I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin has seen some downside. We talked about this bull trap in the trading group and it played out. And we've seen essentially a drop down to about 36,800. Now you're putting in a double bottom. Potentially you've got this falling wedge right here. And so Bitcoin could work higher. On this lower trend line, it can be adjusted and it's still valid if you moved it something like this area. You see your 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch. You've got your bear trap and then goes the other direction. Then your bull trap goes the other direction. Now you got a double bottom. All right, so this might be the more accurate pattern. Obviously, there's a 68% chance that this breaks to the downside. We don't want that to happen. The Bitcoin spot ETFs are going to get approved and the entire market is going to take off, period. So you have to pay attention to the videos because you want to make sure you're in the right coins. This is Bitcoin 1 hour chart. You can see Bitcoin is in fact breaking out of the falling wedge and trying to work higher. So previously you had this bull trap, and what happens after bull traps? When the bulls are trapped, they get punished. But then you had this bear trap and then it went the other way, right? So this was a bear trap, excuse me, a bull trap. And I closed a lot of larger positions at that point, and I didn't take a hit on some significant coins that I was holding. Not necessarily holding, but trading, and saved a ton of losses based on that idea. So it's always important to understand, like, these long wicks are traps, right? Normally you see a long wick reversal, right here, long wick reversal. Not always. This one, long wick, small reversal, right? But about 70% of the time you see a long wick and the price actually goes the opposite direction. Right here, this was a bear trap. If you were to go down to lower term time frame, there would be just a wick down there, and you get this move to the upside and the bull trap, and then the move to the downside. So we're learning every day. Make sure and hit that subscribe button for me because it helps the channel grow and more people need to know how to trade this market. You guys drive me, period. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. So the bottom line is I'm running the Cyber Monday special for a few more days because we've had just a ridiculous amount of signups. Everybody's like, is it over? Is it over? Is it over? I've got an email box. I haven't been getting enough rest and can't keep up. The emails are so many. Glad to have the group growing so fast. And it does that when the market is banging. We have got 2 years of bull market coming, and I'll make sure you're in the right coins, period. Right? So we nailed Pawn for 65%, LUNC for 63%. This was actually just a stock post of Coinbase up 42%. So occasionally we'll some stock picks. Eventually over time, especially into the next bear market, which is for a while from now, we will look at posting some more stock picks, and we are very good at picking and trading stock picks. Right now, you can join the spot group for $730 and 15 months. You'll be in the group. Ride the bull market with us. Here, the leverage trading group, 802%, 710%, 590, 457, 393, 395, excuse me, 335, 325, 307. I mean, these, you 8x your portfolio, whatever you were trading with right here, just on one trade, 8x. If you had $1,000 in this trade, you made $8,000 in one trade. and it probably wasn't in a very long time. And so you can join the leverage group, you can join the regular group, whatever you think is going to best suit your trading style. Now, we completely destroyed all of these coins. Storage 308, Grok 194, Cos 192, Sol, Solana 238, Auction 113, Rose 118, FET 144, Ranker 8 days after the post 98%. You doubled your money. Ren 103%, Gala 70%, YGG 75%. Like just banger after banger after banger. All you have to do, shoot me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com, and I will make sure you are in the right coins, period. Chainlink comes out. They've entered into a channel partnership with Chainlink Labs and Stablecoin Stand. And so essentially the partnership supports stablecoin adoption and helps bolster Chainlink's proof of reserve, CCIP, and price feeds as industry standard services for stablecoins. We talked about we nailed the pick for Coinbase, and now because Coinbase is trying to do the right thing, they're trying to get involved with these spot ETFs, and Chainlink and they've got a Swift partnership, and now this huge partnership as far as the stable coins go. Chainlink is going to be life-changing money. I mean, it's got 20x profits all over it. Just in, the SEC seeks to prove Binance and founder CZ committed an FTX style fraud. This is not good. We don't want to see Binance go down. Can we recover if Binance goes down? Yes. I definitely recommend you're trading on MEXC right now. It's a no-brainer. The last thing you want to do is end up with a bunch of money stuck on Binance. MEXC link, the VIP link, you get half price trading fees and up to $20,000 in bonuses if you go and trade on MEXC, link in the description. Bitcoin countdown. So there's 4 months to the halving, roughly, and ETF approval is around the corner. Prime time for the market whales to make some waves, and they will. They'll make the moves. The last thing you expect to happen, the whales are going to do it, and they're going to move the market. I talked about, and this is from the weekly meeting screen share, this is one of the biggest altcoin seasons that I've ever seen. And now it happened in 2021, but Bitcoin dominance was all the way up here. 73% of all the crypto added up by market cap was not altcoins. 73% was just Bitcoin, and then it dropped to 40%. So huge swing, and then altcoins saw all the money flow into them, and the altcoins took off for an altcoin season that was epic. So that's how we use this chart. This is ONG, and so I've got some ideas that can play out. ONG is been hot, you know, Neo's been hot. A lot of these Chinese coins have been hot, but ONG last time you got this rounded bottom after the breakout here, you ran up to $3.30, and that's potentially a 9x increase. So will we see it again? Probably. So ONG USDT is working on a rounded bottom. It's trying to hold this breakout, but if it doesn't, because there's some bearish divergence on the RSI, the stochastic RSI is trying to roll over. And so if it does pull back, again, you can get good entry, and you want to buy and hold this coin, because if you get it down here, that is one of the best places to buy this coin. Assuming Bitcoin doesn't do anything crazy, this thing can run back up to $3.20 and you bought in at 25 cents, right? You make ridiculous amounts of money. That's what this is about. This is a game where you're trying to take other people's money before they take yours. And the whales, they have all the money to move the market, and they're going to do so. Bitcoin price prediction for Christmas. So there's this machine learning algorithm, and Finbold News came out and they said Bitcoin might be carrying gifts instead of Santa as it looks to break resistance zone and continue to progress towards gains. So your Bitcoin ETF and rising attention from the prominent institutions have shaped investor sentiment towards cryptocurrency in the past weeks. And they used this forecast to call $37,000 on Christmas, December the 25th. The end of the year price is at about 37,500, and it's all about to happen. Banging. Base melting price action. Now, Matic ready to make a move. We had been talking about Matic for an extended period of time. We've got this posted previously. I'll actually go over here and pull it up in the group. Yeah, this is our Matic setup that was posted in the group. And you see, you got the double bottom, and then we recommended and bought the breakout of this huge parabolic run up, because as soon as it broke here, it ran straight up to almost $1 from 69 cents. So we nailed Matic on that setup. Huge. Flux. So this coin right now, it has broken back above the previous resistance, and these were double bottoms, and they skyrocketed and skyrocketed, and now you've got this rounded bottom ready to work higher. If it does pull back, there'll be the strongest group of buyers sitting right here, and slowly over time Flux will work higher. And this is a coin that can do crazy multiples, you know, runs up to $5, and right now it's 54 cents. Easy 10x coin right here, Flux, right? So again, paying attention to Bitcoin, always have multiple monitors, right? So that you can watch what Bitcoin's doing, and you know when to open your trades, and you know when to close your trades, you know when to take profits based on what Bitcoin's doing. Because right now, Bitcoin dominance isn't giving these altcoins so much to work with. And when that changes, these alts are going to run hard. Trade USDT on KuCoin. And so this is a interesting idea where you have this parabolic run up, but then you stopped, right? And you see this bull flag, you breaking out of this, but you haven't broke the breakout level, right? In here, which is at about 51 cents. And so until this can flip and hold 51 cents, you won't see anything higher out of trade. But if you do flip 51 cents, you're going to 56 cents, 62 cents, 68 cents, and 78 cents, right? So huge upside possible. It would be perfectly healthy and normal to see this project pull back and come back down and retest this. This is called the golden pocket because it's golden. And that would essentially, all the buyers are sitting right there. So if it's unable to break out, where if it does break out and hold, you're going straight up, but it could be completely healthy as far as the pullback goes. And then it's going to bounce there and then attempt another breakout. And so again, all these are very important ideas you need to understand. Make sure subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.